Hey guys, today's video is going to be my Sephora play for the month of October. The theme this month is Scary Good Beauty. Here's a little paper that talks about the products. Okay, so it looks like this is the new bag that you're getting every month. Used to get like cute little cloth bags, but now they've moved to this plastic bag, I guess. I don't know. All right, let's see what I got. Oh, what's this? This is hard to get out. Okay, so the first thing is the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. I've actually never tried this before. It is a weightless setting spray that keeps makeup in place for up to 16 hours. Like I said, I've never tried it before, but I have heard people talk about it, and from what I've heard, it's amazing. So I'm excited to try that. The next thing in the bag is the bonus item for the month. This is the Kat Von D perfume, the Saint and Sinner perfume. I actually have a bigger size of both of these. I got it, I think, in an influencer box, but this is what they look like, and from what I remember, I didn't really like the scents of them. This fragrance duo shows opposites attract. Saint is dreamy and alluring, while Sinner is dark and empowering. I know I did not like Sinner, but I don't know. Let's spray it. You know what? Actually, I like that one. I like Saint, but I know that I did not like Sinner. Next thing in the bag is from First Aid Beauty. This is the Coconut Water Cream. Helps hydrate, smooth, and recharge. Safe for sensitive skin. So this is an oil-free, lightweight moisturizer that replenishes skin with coconut water. I'm excited to try this. I've actually never tried anything from First Aid Beauty, but I have heard really good things about the brand, so I'm super excited to try this. A little tiny Benefit Gimme Brow. This is a tinted brow gel that creates natural looking fullness and definition. This is a little guy, little tiny. We have something from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Stick Foundation in Banana, a pale yellow light to full coverage foundation stick with a demi matte finish. Ooh, oh my gosh. That's literally the amount of product that you get. Okay. Okay, that's twisted up all the way, you guys. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's pathetic. Last thing in the bag is from Caudalie. I don't know. This is the Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. So that's what that looks like. Oil-free radiance boosting serum that visibly evens skin tone. That's everything that's in my Sephora play for the month of October. Let's see, what do I think? Okay, I'm excited for this all-nighter spray. I've heard good things about it, but I've never tried it. I'm excited for the Gimme Brow, even though it is super tiny. Stick Foundation, I'm super excited to try out, even though I am super disappointed that that's literally all the product you get. Definitely excited for the First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream. And this guy right here, the Radiance Serum. I mean, you know, I would love for my face to look more radiant, so hopefully that'll do it. And then the perfumes, I don't like Sinner, but I do like Saint. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are interested in Sephora Play, I will have a link down below. And yeah, that's all we got. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.